This
Okay,
conference will now be recorded.
so I will just walk you through. So as part of this Java demo, okay, I will just walk you through the syllabus right now. Okay, and then I will show you some of the examples that we have been doing for our existing batch. Fine. So see, this is about the course. So you will be learning all the core, core Java, advanced Java, and the Java frameworks. Okay, along with the Maven building tool. Okay. So this Maven repository tool will also be part of your course. Fine, to become a full-fledged Java developer. Okay. So this is the entire application that will be learning as part your Java development course. Okay, so this is the presentation layer. Presentation means web layer. Example C, this is our website which we have developed in Java, terimerichoice.com. This is a so front end. So front end is what? Web layer, and then the back end layer is the processing layer, which is the core Java, advanced Java, and the Spring Hibernate. So Hibernate is required to create the data persistence to talk with the database. So there are two ways of working with the database using the directly Java drivers, which is called as a JDBC drivers, or using the data persistence layer like Hibernate. So Hibernate also internally use Java drivers to talk to work with the database. So example, if I click on any one of the, you can see these all like login, everything, sign up, whatever you are seeing, this everything is done. Example, see, I'm just doing a login right now. Okay, so this in the backend, so this is the Ajax call. You will see here now. So you can see the page has not refreshed. So we are doing here itself. So this is the Ajax call. Okay. So this Ajax call is a part of the advanced Java. Okay. Then the Spring Hibernate layer, and finally we will work with the database. Okay. So this is the full-fledged entire. Okay, this is the entire multi-tier MVC application. So do you have any question right now?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay, so you will be learning this sort of complex project. Okay, right from the beginning or right from the basics to this sort of complex project. Okay, and you will be it's like 80% hands-on training will be there. Okay, throughout the course. Okay, completely it's a theory practical. The way I am speaking right now, I will be giving you the live demo in the same format only. Or live lectures will be there in the same format like theory practicals. Okay, I will also walk you through some of the sample codes that we have that our students have done in the recent training programs. Okay,
Yeah.
fine. So then to implement this sort of project, you have to learn all the layers: front end, core Java, advanced Java, Spring, Hibernate. Okay, this server is the Apache Tomcat server, and the database will be your MySQL, MySQL. Okay, so it is called as a model view controller, MVC architecture, model view controller.
Yeah.
So how to design this model? The model is database. You're working with database. We will learn how to design model. View is your front end and controller is your the main logic. Okay. So the course content starts like this. We will work with the introduction of Java. Then Eclipse tool. We will work with this Eclipse tool. You can see this is my ongoing batch of Java Big Day 11 a.m. batch, ongoing batch of core Java, and this is the ongoing batch of the Spring Hibernate. And the new batch of Java will be starting soon. So that information, upcoming batch information, you can get it from madam. Okay, from the counselors
Sir,
by
your
talking
voice
to
is
the
breaking now.
office. Huh? Hello.
Hello. Hello,
Yeah.
sir. Hello, sir. Yeah. Hello.
Yeah. I am there only.
Your voice is breaking.
Yeah.
Hello.
No. In my case, there is no issue of the
Hello.
voice.
Your voice
Hello.
is breaking, sir.
Actually, I am in full. Even now also.
Hello.
Hello.
I can. Okay.
Yeah.
Now okay. Hello.
Yeah. Actually,
Yeah.
I am in full network. Might be there is small network issue from your side. Okay. Don't need to worry. Okay.
Oh, I'm also in full.
Now going to the next part. So this is the Eclipse environment. Okay, we will be doing the project, and then the advanced Java project using the Spring Hibernate. It's also one of my advanced Java batch. You can see this is my advanced Java batch. Okay, so we'll be doing all the things from scratch. You can see login flow, login process. These are the sample examples that I give to my student. You can see some of the programs over here, right? Some of the programs. Then you can see the mini project we have developed for the advanced Java. You can see some of the mini projects for the advanced Java. You can see there are so many JSP files we have been using. Then this is the core Java, which is my ongoing batch. You can see there is a OOPS concepts. We have so many examples for the OOPS collections, multi-threading. It's my ongoing batch. So we also have taken an example of a bank example. Okay, you can see 1 minute. You can see this bank example, right? Bank account, employee account. You can employee example, then bank example. You can see the bank child account, current account over here. So it's all practical training will be there. You can see this is an example of a polymorphism. So you will be developing all such codes under my guidance. Okay.
Okay.
So this is the entire core Java. You can say this is the entire core Java we will be learning. Okay.
Yeah.
Control structures, arrays, string, date. Then this is a very important Java immutable concept. It's also a favorite interview question. You can say. Okay. Then logic building sessions. You can see now these are the hi the new joining Vishal. Okay. Our core Java demo is going on. Okay. Now the logic building sessions I will tell you. See, this is the exception handling, collections, beans, and this is the logic building sessions. You can see there are so many matrix addition. There are so many examples we take it because see this logic building sessions are very important part of the core Java. Here you are going to build your base for the core Java. So this logic building sessions is you can say we have done the matrix additions. So then pyramid programs. So there are many programs are there as part of the logic building session. So here you are going to build the base of your Java. Access modifiers, logic building sessions, then the OOPS concepts, exception handling. So all the concepts like list, collection. This is the one of the important favorite interview questions and important class. Java the dot collections. Even we will be taking this part as well. Then this is the latest Lambda expression. We'll be taking that. Multi-threading file IO Java Mail API, even how to send mail via Java using Gmail API. Even we'll be covering this part as well. Okay. Then the advanced Java will come. So advanced Java will be doing on Apache Tomcat. So you can see here there is a the Apache Tomcat is installed. I will show you. Server. So server you can see Apache Tomcat 9.0. Apache Tomcat 9.0 is the latest server. So you'll be learning on this Apache Tomcat 9.0. Okay. So how to do the configuration, everything will be taught to you. This Eclipse. So this is the Eclipse IDE is a professional tool. Okay, which is also used in the industry. Okay. You can see all the advanced Java concept like filters, JDBC, custom tags, JDBC, everything we have implemented. Okay, and this will be a like part of a training program. It will be theory practical. So 15 minutes I will teach you, and 15 minutes I will give the files on a shared drive. So I will show you one of the shared drives I have showed. Okay, I upload the code on the Google Drive, and then you can see these different batches are there, right? So by the shared drive I will be sharing you all the latest files. You can see web developments, Spring Notes, everything will be given to you via shared drive so that you can have direct access to it. Okay. Then the servlet programming, require dispatches, one of the important topic of the advanced Java. Then send it direct, JSC programming. Okay, Ajax, JSON, JSTL, custom tags, everything will be doing it. So custom tags, the JSTL is based on custom tags. So how to develop this custom tags, where it is used, we'll be learning each and everything, step by step. So one of the examples I will just quickly walk you through. See, right now you won't understand the examples much, but only you can have a fair idea that you will be implementing so and so stuff. So JSTL is the advanced version of the scriptlet programming or the programming in the JSP. So you'll be learning even the JSTL tags. So you can see this is this is the scriptlet programming. Okay, and then this is the JSTL tags. This is the JSTL tags. C colon if. So it is more a English-like programming language for the Java. So you'll be learning even JSTL because JSTL is widely used in Spring and in Spring MVC. So JSTL you have to learn. Then the tag expressions. You can see this custom tags. So JSTL also it's a tag only, but it is tag provided to us by Java. And here we are building our own tag. For example, here in this tag, I am doing a credit card validation. So only by putting one line of credit card validation, all the processing is done in backend, and in the front end you will get the answer whether my card is valid or invalid. Okay.
Okay.
So this is how your Java becomes handy by writing your own custom tags. Fine. Then the next part will be your after custom tag, it will be Spring Hibernate. So first we'll be doing Spring Core, then Spring IOC container auto wiring, all the important concepts of the Spring framework, Spring CRUD operations like using JDBC, then Spring MVC, Spring Boot, how the Spring Boot configuration works. So in the Spring Boot, your Maven will also come. Spring Web Service, one small example, we will be doing it. Okay, then Spring Hibernate MVC project. So Hibernate, then we'll learn Hibernate and we'll do finally a Spring Hibernate MVC project. Okay, Hibernate configuration, annotation using Hibernate, then Hibernate, exception handling, Hibernate list, okay, Hibernate level 1 cache, Hibernate level 2 cache, then Spring Hibernate indication in Spring Maven project and Spring MVC. So this will be your then the core of entire course of Spring framework. Okay, so this will be the entire course of core Java, advanced Java, Spring and Hibernate to implement this entire application. So this entire application which I've showed you in the beginning. So this is your entire application which will be implementing throughout our project. So this is one of the example of a Spring and Hibernate. I will show you which have my Spring MVC batch. You can see there are so many examples we have been taking of Spring one. See, there are Spring validators, Spring MVC, Spring controllers. So there are many classes will be implementing. Then Spring how to implement internationalization in the Spring, how to handle the properties file, how to implement this property files for globalization and for centralization of the exceptions. All the industry based standards, you can say whatever the industry based standards are there, we'll be implementing all, how to implement these lib folders and everything, how to configure the Spring Socket configuration of the Spring file. So everything you'll be learning step by step under my guidance. Okay, so this is the entire, so this is Spring MVC and this is a Spring. Only in Spring Core we have taken so many examples. So Spring Hibernate example, Spring Hibernate mapping. This is the example of the Hibernates. Okay, Hibernate many to many, Hibernate cache management, Hibernate one to many. Okay, then Spring AOP, Hibernate AOP. Oh, sorry, this is Spring AOP. Then Spring Hibernate integration in the core, and then Spring Hibernate integration in the MVC. So this is how you will be completing one entire project as part of your training program. So right now I've given a practice session for my existing batch, okay, to implement the sales application. So this is ongoing project, so which are giving to the, it's like add customer, create sales, everything. So this is the ongoing application that I have given as a practice to my existing batch. So this is how like your entire course is done. So we will be taking all the samples step by step, and then this is the 5-step process that I will be helping you, like design project, prepare resume, interview prepare sections, everything will be part of your training program to complete the course. And then you can finally talk to our for enrollment and all the process. You can like fees, enrollment, upcoming batch, everything you can talk to our madams on this particular numbers. So I am sharing you the link of this PDF. I hope you might have already got this PDF, but still I am sharing this PDF file to you.
Yeah.
Okay, so even you can go through the syllabus and everything. Fine. So you might have got this particular syllabus already from the counselors, okay, before joining of this demo, but still I have shared you so that you can also on the chat, you can check on the chat. Okay, fine.
Yeah.
So do you have any doubts as far of as part of like any questions or something that you have?
Yes, sir.
Like you
Sir,
understood this drive, how you do the project? Yeah, tell me.
sir, no, sir. This complete program will be online, no? Or a location.
Yeah, online, live online. Yeah, live online.
Suppose we miss it, then recording will be forwarded or not?
Yes. We'll forward you the recordings. We'll provide you the recording if you miss it. But see, the thing is that we generally don't like that people miss the sessions, because what happens during the session we discuss a lot of things.
Oh yeah.
Okay,
But suppose
we
some
discuss
reason.
many things, so we don't want. And that's fine. If one of the reasons you're missing some session, then no issue. We'll provide you the recording as well. You don't need to worry for that.
Okay. Okay.
But generally it doesn't happen because whenever we take the next session, right, then at that time we cover the previous session as well. Means, say example, I am going to take the next session of collections. So what I taught in the old session, so in quickly 10 minutes, I will first brief the old session, what we have done in the last session, so that you have the continuation. Example, say I have to take the collection example. You can see this collection, we have done so many examples in collection itself. See, I have we also give like this sort of, you can say, comments, okay, so that even like doing the practice, doing the 15 minutes practice that I give to you, after I show you the, okay, so you can have also quickly glance through it what this collection is all about by understanding even the the comments that we give as a part of the program. You can see in the collection we have done so many stuff: collection map, collection dot sort, collection dot reverse, everything we have implemented step by step. And you can see this collection of beans. Okay, this is like very advanced level programming, so you'll be learning right from basics to the advanced level, everything you will be doing it
Okay. Okay.
step by step.
And okay. And the
So and because see, our overall motto is that at the end of the training program, right, at the end of the training program you should become the expert in core Java, in the full Java framework. Means you should be able to develop this sort of application.
Yeah.
Entire application you should be in a position to develop this entire application using this MVC format, model view controller format.
Okay. Okay.
So let me know if you still have any questions. I will solve it out, or you can talk to the madam for the enrollment and other process, right? Do you have any questions?
हाँ सर, प्लेसमेंट अपॉर्चुनिटी के बारे में बताने में सर पिछले साल कितने प्लेसमेंट हुए थे?
Yeah, placements of opportunity also provide. There are many companies are there. Okay, like Java is a universal language, right? So there are hundreds of companies which are there for the Java in the industry. Okay, so we also provide placement support as part of our the placement program. So we provide 100% job placement opportunities. You can see over here, it's also written over there. 100% job placement opportunities are there. So we have a dedicated HR team that help you in the placement support. Okay, to provide you 100% job placement opportunities. Fine. So everything is there. So you don't need to worry. The main thing is that, see, the main thing is that your funda should be clear. Your core concept should be clear, because when you go for the interview call, correct, you should be able to crack the interview. And when you will be able to crack the interview, when your core concepts, everything is covered. When you do the hands-on training, so when you do the hands-on training, your core concepts gets cleared. Okay. So everything, so hence we focus everything right from the basics. You will be given notes. I am showing you the notes, a few of the notes that we have given to the existing batch. Example, this is the note of Java, our Java training. So you will be getting this notes. See, this is the notes. So you will be getting the for core Java, similarly for advanced Java. You can see it.
Yeah. See.
So you will be even getting the notes. See everything. Getting it? So even like we will be apart from these notes, there are some more topics are there. We also cover those which are the latest topics in core Java, advanced Java. You will be even learning those topics as well. So this sort of notes you will be getting as part of your training program. Okay. So you will be so this, you don't need to worry that everything we have taught hundreds of students in Java. So you don't in live online training. So you don't need to worry as well. Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, so still you have any doubts, you can ask me. So already whatever mentioned is there over here. And the and the your project. So project will be your entire application in this way. So notes, everything, guidance, whatever is required, all everything will be provided to you.
Yeah.
And we have dedicated HR team is there. So whenever once your course is 95% some approximate, your placement process begins. So that for that you can contact to the HR directly. Okay, your number, HR's email ID number will be shared. So they will be help you in forwarding your CVs to our tie-up companies. Okay, you can also see some of the list of our tie-up companies on the website. Quick Expert Infotech. You can see recent placements over here. And the type company is in the bottom of the page. You can see here. So this is a 5-step process. Enroll, get in the project, the design project, prepare resume and interview prepare sections to help you make successful. And these are the few of the list of type companies. So there are huge opportunities are there for core, and Java is like universal language. Universal, there are almost all MNCs in this world, or all IT companies in the world, major all IT companies, okay, they will be having Java projects. So it's like you don't need to worry about the job prospects of Java. It's always evergreen technology. At least for next 10 years, there is no issue. There are lakhs and lakhs of projects of Java developed on the industry. Even the live project which I showed you, theorymerechoice.com, it is one of our live project. Okay, so even this is built on Java. So you can see the Java has ample opportunities. Okay, and it's been industry leader. You can see Java job opportunity in the industry. You can even type like here openings wherever in Mumbai, Pune, wherever it is. You can see there are hundreds of, you can say, Java openings will be there. Okay, so you don't need to worry as such. There are so many Java openings will be there in the industry on the Naukri. Even we will be helping you through our placement training program. Okay, fine. So we will supporting you for interview calls and everything. Correct. So
Yeah.
so overall, like overall the end motto is that end motto is that you should be successful in your Java development, right?
Yeah.
So you can inquire at the office for the upcoming batch. So it is the immediate upcoming batch only, I guess in 10 or 12 days on it, first or second week of December will be the upcoming batch. So that information, everything will be having with the madam, okay, or with the office, okay. So you can contact the office at the numbers given in the PDF at the bottom of the numbers, or even on the page. So this is the numbers you can contact. Okay, website numbers, everything is there, or even on the website you can see it over here. These are the contact numbers are there. You can contact to them. Okay, you can even WhatsApp on this number. Fine.
Okay.
So
Thank you, sir.
still, if you have any doubts, you can ask me, or do you have any doubts?
No, sir. No, sir. Thank you.
Okay, then we'll wind up this demo session. Okay.
Yeah.
Bye bye, have a nice day.
Thank you, sir.